makeup that's also skincare. Have you tried it? Hey everybody. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Yensa. This is a skincare meets makeup brand, and I absolutely love everything by them, and I'm sharing with you guys today some of my favorite makeup products. I'm wearing them on my face and why I love them. So I want to start with the Essential Glow. This is the Tone Up Primer. This ultra hydrates my skin, it moisturizes, it preps my skin, and then it velcros all my makeup on so I have really comfortable wear all day long. So I'm really excited to share with you guys some of my favorite products from this brand. I do have a tutorial for you guys, but I also want to run through some of the products that I loved the most. Next up is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation. It's a BB cream plus a CC cream, and it's a full coverage foundation. They actually sent this to me and it was a little too dark on my skin tone. It was tan neutral. I lightened it up a little bit with a little bit of extra Essential Glow, and it worked just perfectly, and it added so much dewy, glowy hydration to my skin while still allowing it to be full coverage, so I was a huge fan of that. This also has an SPF of 40, provides a flawless coverage, so it works really well with the primer. Another product that I was really in love with was the BC Concealer. This is also a BB and CC product. It's full coverage concealer. Again, hydrates, moisturizes, and just eliminated my black circles. And today I'm trying for the first time the Super 8 lip oil, and you're going to learn all about that in my tutorial, which starts now.
We're starting off with the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This helps to reduce the look of fine lines, minimize the appearance of pores, even skin texture, and also help the skin absolutely glow. It's got a satin sheen and a lightweight formula, so it's pretty much invisible on the skin once it's blended in. You could wear it alone or under makeup. I love it for my no makeup days. It absolutely makes my skin just look like my skin, but better. It's so perfect for a natural dewy look. And now I'm applying my foundation, which is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation. This is a BB plus CC cream. It is a full coverage foundation. It gives SPF 40 protection. It's great for aging skin. Super moisturizing. It has a built-in concealer, although I like to add a little bit of extra concealer under my eyes. You can apply this with your fingers or a light foundation brush like I'm doing today. It minimizes the look of pores. It nourishes the skin as well as blurring imperfections, fine lines, and wrinkles. I actually mixed mine with the Glow Primer that I showed you in the beginning, and I used the same brush that I applied the primer to apply the foundation. For my concealer, I'm using the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Concealer. This is also a BB plus CC cream concealer. It is also full coverage. It brightens up my under eye area, evens the skin tone, and just completely erases those fine lines. It is absolutely one of my favorite concealers since the moment I tried it. I was absolutely in love with it. It's creaseless, moisturizing, conceals, and gives flawless coverage all day. I didn't see any cracking or caking midday. Lastly, we have the Super 8 lip oil. It's lightweight, high shine, lots of moisture, and you get even color without all the sticky feeling. I love the all-day wear of this, and I love how hydrated and fuller my lips look after wearing this.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys check out this skincare makeup fusion line that just makes your skin look and feel amazing while you're wearing it. You can check out all these products. I'm gonna have tons of links in the info section below if you want to check out any products from this line. I'm also gonna have more information on my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like and a comment, and if you aren't already, subscribe. If you want to follow along on Instagram, you can check me out at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, or at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.